It's really cute. You were a cute girl. Hey y'all, it's your girl Glitz. Thanks for tuning in back to my channel. So today we did this makeup tutorial on this eyeshadow. I really love it. It's just a mixture of a whole bunch of colors that kind of just came together. I was on Instagram and I was inspired by Abby Do Hurt. I don't know how to pronounce. I don't want to butcher her name, so I'm just gonna insert her name to the video. But I was inspired by one of her eyeshadow looks, and I was like, oh, I gotta recreate this. So hopefully I did her justice. And it's also like festival season coming up with the spring and summer, so I wanted to turn this into a festival makeup look, and I did this like flower bouquet looking thing. It's not going to be in this tutorial, it's going to be a separate tutorial when I make this, so hope y'all go watch that as well. I think this like hair kind of just went with it too. Okay, let me stop rambling. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Welcome, and thumbs up this video if you like it, and I'll see y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Bye. Okay y'all, we are finally back with a new eyeshadow tutorial. I know I've been really inconsistent lately with my uploads. It's just I've been stressing, I'm about to graduate, and I've been doing my internship, but I'm finally done my internship, so that's one load off my back. But I know y'all don't care about the problems. Y'all here just to see the makeup. Base makeup is already done. If you want to see how I do my flawless foundation routine, go check out that video. But right now I'm about to go ahead and start priming the eyelid. Now, typically I don't like to do my eyeshadow with my foundation stuff on already, just because of fallout and stuff, but it just goes by quicker with uploading, and I don't like recording stuff that I've already recorded before. Like I like to do different eyeshadow looks that's different, but y'all see my foundation routine all the time, so I'm just trying to switch it up. But I am getting used to this, doing eyeshadow after foundation. Like, look at that. Like, I don't like how that happens. I can just cover it up with foundation if I did the foundation first, but now I just gotta blend it out some type of way. This New Wave shade from the Subculture palette. First, I like to stamp it on there and then blend it out. Next, to blend it out even more, I'm taking this bright orange shade from the BH Cosmetics palette and going over top of that just to bring out more of the orange pigments in that color. With this red shade right here from the jaclyn palette, and then going with the red from the BH Cosmetics palette to emphasize the red tones in this shade. Again, I'm just kind of stamping it in there right above the crease and then blending it out once I finish stamping, just to get the color I want. The difference in the reds is just the BH Cosmetics palette red, like all the pigments, they need something like a oomph. They don't show up well by themselves, so that's why I'm layering it with a different shade. And the jaclyn shades, they are more of a wearable, warm tone type of eyeshadows, so they're not giving me the pigment I want. So that's why I'm taking the BH Cosmetics eyeshadows and going over top of them. So next I'm taking this purple shade All Star and going in the crease. And I'm about to go in with the purple shade from the BH Cosmetics palette. Going with this yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, so it's doing something weird. Like it's not sticking. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm gonna take this yellow in here and make it be like a base for it. Cause something ain't going right. It's kind of working. It's kind of gathering up a little bit because I put the concealer down. So it's a lot of product going on right there. And I add the eyeshadow too, so it's like 4 layers of product. That's just gonna have to do. So now I'm about to try to put the yellow back over that. I'm gonna try to edit out these mistakes because I'm gonna try to see what happens when I mess up or when the product doesn't perform well. And I'm really digging in this shade to get some type of pigment on the brush. I think I'm going to go in with Saturn. It's kind of like an orange shade. Bring back that little flick I had going there. I'm going to take this white liquid liner. This liner scares me a little bit. Just next, I'm going in with this Sphere shade. It looks real cute, girl. Okay, so I really suck at the liner on camera. That's why I rarely do it on camera, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, I know this took me forever in a day, but I got it done. So now I'm about to add some glitter. So I'm putting the glitter on my eyeliner, just like half of it. And I'm using this like pointy brush. It's not an eyeliner brush, but it's like shaped like an eyeliner brush. And I'm taking the NYX glitter primer to stick the glitter to. So I'm just doing that now. And I'm using 2 glitters. I'm going to start with the cobalt blue looking glitter. And take the angle brush. I use the black liner. The black liner to stamp it on. So next I'm gonna take this like olive green shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and run it underneath my lash line. Oh, y'all like, dang, she using every color in the palette. I know. Okay, now to go over top of that, I'm taking this like turquoise blue shade to go underneath that. Yeah, I'm so hungry. My stomach is growling. I'm gonna go back and add some more of the blue glitter because these lashes were a little more dramatic than what I thought. Contour with this purple blush. And for my actual blush, I'm going to take this reddish pink shade. Now to highlights, I'm going to take or locate Anastasia. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. This is by far one of the most creative. I won't say the most creative because I like the Black Panther look, but one of the most, damn, I keep on saying most, the tutorial I like the most so far. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you want more looks like this, and comment down below any makeup ideas you have in mind. I did film a tutorial on this flower bouquet on my head. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video as well, and thanks for watching. Bye.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2.